We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT in Atlas browser. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Atlas browser on your desktop. Once you have it up, look for the search or URL bar at the top. Type in the URL for the ChatGPT website, which is chat.openai.com, and press enter. This will take you to the ChatGPT homepage. If you're not already logged in, you need to sign in with your OpenAI account. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Once you're logged in, you can start using ChatGPT directly in the Atlas browser. If you want to start a new conversation, simply type your question or prompt in the text box at the bottom of the page. You can hit enter or click the send icon to submit your query. ChatGPT will then generate a response in real time. You can continue the conversation by typing follow-up questions or prompts in the same text box. If you ever want to clear the conversation and start fresh, look for the option to reset or clear the chat, usually located in the menu or settings within the chat interface. Using ChatGPT in Atlas browser is seamless and straightforward, allowing you to leverage AI-powered assistance right from your desktop browser. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.